Hello everyone, welcome to GigaBits. In this video, I'll explain why I switched to Pop! OS in 2025 and why it might be the best Linux-based system for productivity and gaming. Pop! OS is developed by System76 and it's built on Linux with the goal of providing a smooth, driver-ready experience right out of the box. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, Pop! OS even offers a special ISO with pre-installed NVIDIA drivers that helps avoid black screens or boot errors, which is a huge advantage compared to other distros. It also supports hybrid graphics switching, allowing you to move seamlessly between integrated and dedicated GPUs. That feature alone makes it perfect for laptop users who want performance and battery efficiency in one system. The desktop experience in Pop! OS is designed for productivity. Its tiling window manager automatically organizes windows, which is great for multitasking or working with large displays. The interface is clean, responsive, and optimized for focus and efficiency. Pop! OS supports all the major applications you might need: Steam, Spotify, Chrome, Firefox, Zoom, Slack, Telegram, and OBS for recording and streaming. Its driver and hardware management are top tier, making it an excellent system for both content creation and gaming. When it comes to privacy and security, Pop! OS gives you more control. It avoids forced updates, limits telemetry, and allows you to encrypt your drive by default. There are also built-in recovery tools for extra protection in case something goes wrong. Of course, not everything is perfect. Some users with uncommon hardware setups like rare GPU models or specific laptop configurations may need to tweak a few settings. Pop! OS can also use slightly more RAM than other lightweight Linux distributions. Still, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Pop! OS solves many of Windows' biggest problems, such as forced updates, driver issues, and unnecessary background processes. It offers a stable, customizable, and powerful environment for work, study, or gaming. That's why I made the switch, and I don't regret it. Pop! OS in 2025 feels like the perfect balance between performance, simplicity, and reliability.